What's up, guys? Welcome to my vlog. So I just finished running. I did, I think, 260 calories. Well, I didn't run. I did like really fast walking with like incline on the treadmill. But yeah, now I'm just getting ready for work, and then yeah, I gotta finish editing my last vlog because I have to put it up today, and like I still have to finish the ending, so I'm all over the place today, but it's okay. We're all in this together. We're all in this together. Check in with you guys later. What's up, guys? So it's Saturday. I just finished this makeup look. Let me take my glasses off. So it looks like this. I filmed it. Oh my god, my lash. I filmed it for YouTube, but y'all, I don't know. It like kind of turned out like a fail. Like the way I filmed it was kind of, I don't know. I mean, you'll see it on Tuesday, so you'll already have seen it, but it's definitely not my best work. I don't know. I just have to figure out a way to film makeup tutorials because it's very different than the other tutorials I was filming. So I just gotta figure it out. But yeah, this is the look. So right now I think I'm just gonna clean and stuff like that. And yeah, talk to you guys later. Good morning. So right now it's Mother's Day. Gonna make my mom some breakfast, and yeah. So I'm making eggs, and then like a little vegetable medley type thing. Bacon, and then a little parfait for her later on. Got the veggies in here. Going with some smoky paprika, some savory honey vegetable glaze, seasoned salt, black pepper, finger licking chicken, parsley, some Italian seasoning. Now I'm going in with my eggs. Personally, I don't like to add too much seasoning to my eggs. I don't know, that's just my opinion, so very little seasoning. So just seasoned salt. Parsley. And a little All Bay. And to make the eggs really fluffy, I'm gonna go with a tiny bit of milk, just a little bit. Ta-da! So I'm just gonna season up this chicken right now. So we're gonna have chopped onions, this kickin' chicken finger licking spice blend, smoked paprika, chipotle, so if it will ever focus. We've got some Old Bay and some garlic. And this chicken's already been like cleaned and everything. Good morning, guys. Just wanted to show you how sweaty I am after this workout. The sweat be going. I burnt like almost 300 calories, so it's going good so far. Just trying to lose some weight, having that, you know, trying to get that summer body, even though summer is canceled, but still. So I got my chicken here that I showed you guys how I seasoned. So now I just have a different pan. I don't know if I'm gonna put more chicken in here. I might just only make this chicken right now. But what I put in the pan is I took some truffle oil. This is the truffle fusion cooking oil. And then I also sprayed some organic extra olive oil, but I might breadcrumb them right now, so you know, I'll show that later. So I decided I am gonna breadcrumb it. So for the breadcrumbs I use this panko seasoned. I also add a little bit more garlic and some smoky paprika, and I just put it and mix it all up in here. And then instead of doing like the whole breading thing where I use egg and stuff, I'm just gonna use some white truffle oil and then just lightly dip it in there, so it's just lightly breaded. But yeah. We've got our chicken. Alright, so I just took the chicken out. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to spray with more oil and flip them over, put them back in the oven for a little bit longer, then they're done. What's up guys? So it's literally like 2 a.m. I'm up trying to edit this video, and I'm also trying to just do some schoolwork because I am in school. I go to college, unfortunately. So I have some work to do, but I just wanted to come up here and rant because don't you hate when you have classes that have nothing to do with your major or like anything related to anything that you're gonna do, yet they're the classes that require the most work, that require like 5 million essays and require you to read like 10 different books? And it's like, don't you hate that? Because I hate that too. I really hate that, because that's what I'm dealing with right now. Like this class that has nothing to do with anything, and yet it's the class that I have to go online for video chat for several hours, and it's the class that I have several writing assignments for every single week. Most people have done their finals already. I'm still taking tests, regular tests that are not finals. And then they just want to pile on the work, especially these irrelevant classes that you don't care about. It's so annoying. It's like they think you don't have a life. I know most things are shut down for quarantine, but honey, I still have to work. I don't know about y'all, but my business is open. I still have to go to work, so I still have to work. I'm constantly like babysitting and taking care of my brother. I do not have time to sit here all day, all night to keep doing these assignments. I'm sitting here right now really contemplating if I even want to do this right now. And I'm like, should I just take the L? Because this is such a small part of my grade that I'm like, I don't even know, because I'm so tired. And I have a YouTube video. I usually try to upload every Tuesday and Friday by 6 o'clock. And I still need to edit, and it's Tuesday morning, and I have the class online, I have work, and then I have like some stuff to do after that. Should I even do this? And you're probably like, why are you wasting time talking to the camera? Well, honey, I had to let my frustrations out. Hey guys, I didn't vlog like at all, but I didn't vlog at all yesterday, but I just wanted to show you. So I had some penne here, piece of salmon, piece of baked chicken, and then I got my side salad, and I also got my seltzer. What's up guys? So I barely vlogged today, but I didn't even vlog yesterday, I don't think. So this week was kind of boring, but welcome to quarantine. But thought it'd be a good addition to add a little bit more about myself. I also wanted to tell you guys that I've been dancing for over 12 years now in tap, ballet, and jazz, which is like hip-hop mostly. If you give this video a like, make sure you comment, make sure you subscribe. All these videos literally take me forever. And all your favorite YouTubers, it takes them forever. So see you in the next video. Bye.